Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best tire pressure monitoring system on Amazon. You don't have to wait until something feels imbalanced or a bit off to find out you've got a leaky tire or a flat. With the help of a smart tire pressure monitoring system, I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Time8 Tire Pressure Monitoring System. If you're on a budget, the affordably priced Time8 Tire Pressure Monitoring System offers great value. This 4-sensor set includes a sleek but simple-to-read display, easy-to-install sensors, which are so secure they're theft-proof, and multiple alarm modes. You can set your pressure and temperature alarm values to your liking, getting audio and visual alerts when your tire's stats deviate from the norm. The LCD display screen is backlit, and it automatically adjusts based on the current situation, whether you're charging, driving, getting an alert, or on standby. You'll also have 5 alarm modes to keep you in the know about everything from fast leaks to pressure changes to low voltage on your tire's sensors. What we like about it: theft-resistant sensors, automatic backlight adjustment on display, 5 alarm modes, accurate within 3 SI. What we don't like about it: vehicle must be moving to get signals from sensors. Go to sleep after 10 minutes without motion. Number 2. Time8 Tire Pressure Monitoring System for RV. If you're looking for a TPMS that includes more sensors for vehicles like RVs and trailers, the Time8 Tire Pressure Monitoring System for RV and trailer is a great option. Designed specifically for these types of camping-ready vehicles, this system includes 6 sensors for additional wheels. Those sensors run off tempered glass solar panels, which makes them wonderfully eco-friendly. With long-lasting batteries, those sensors are built for the long haul. You'll have 5 alarm modes to alert you to any problems, and you can set the minimum and maximum alarm values for tire pressure and temperature. All of the sensors are reliable in varying weather, too, thanks to their all-weather design that seals out dust, dirt, snow, and moisture. What we like about it: real-time, simultaneous monitoring, all-weather sensors sealed against moisture, auto-scroll to show all sensors, solar-powered. What we don't like about it: visible sensor caps. Screen can be difficult to read. Number 3. TST507 Series TPMS. The TST507 Series TPMS with color display is one well-rounded and complete tire pressure monitoring system. It'll work for your typical car that's lacking a built-in TPMS, but it can also be used for trailers and towed vehicles. It features 4 sensors that screw easily into place, and you can monitor up to 4 trailers total. Setup is effortless, and you'll get reliable, easy-to-read data, including visual and audible alerts when something goes wrong. The 3.5-inch color display comes with a rubber display mount, and you can customize your high and low pressure alarm levels so you can keep as close an eye as you'd like. Plus, the entire kit is backed by a 3-year warranty. The only reported negative feature of this TPMS is the display. What we like about it: easy to install screw-on sensors, widescreen display, monitor up to 4 vehicles, audible and visual alerts. What we don't like about it: display can be difficult to read in sunlight. Number 4. Lippert TireLink Tire Monitoring System. The Lippert TireLink Tire Pressure and Temperature Monitoring System will have you covered whether you're working with multiple axles, a wealth of tires, or a variety of towed vehicles. With the ability to support and continuously monitor up to 20 tires, it's quite comprehensive. Plus, you don't have to worry about a separate display to check in on your vehicles. You can continuously monitor their data via the OneControl smartphone app, which gives you push notifications when there's an issue with any tire. What we like about it: can monitor up to 20 tires simultaneously. Repeater technology strengthens wireless signals. Connects to OneControl smartphone app for monitoring. Quick start, easy installation process. What we don't like about it: additional sensors must be purchased separately. Number 5. TireMinder Smart Tire Pressure Monitoring System. If you're searching for a modern TPMS that's high-tech and extra convenient, you're going to want to check out the TireMinder Smart Tire Pressure Monitoring System. This smart product offers 4 sensors that can be used on vehicles of all kinds, but it doesn't come with a display. It uses Bluetooth to pair with a smartphone app and deliver alerts right to your phone. You can monitor tires remotely, and the TPMS will provide constant insights, checking each tire in your system every 6 seconds. What we like about it: pairs with a smartphone app, includes signal booster, long-lasting receiver batteries, constant monitoring for 6 issues. What we don't like about it: must purchase additional sensors to monitor more vehicles. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.